All right, welcome back to the Crypto ZX channel. You guys know what time it is. We're going to be talking about none other than Pepe. Of course, we're looking at the top 100 coins. Pepe is not in the top 100 coins right now, so let's shift it to the top 200 and we will see Pepe somewhere here. So down about 3.7% over the past 24 hours, but as you guys know, the entire market is down right now, so that kind of explains as to why we're seeing a little bit of a retracement in Pepe. But let's take a look at the monthly time frame. Pepe is down 7.9% on the monthly, and on the yearly, of course, we're not seeing it anywhere, but it's no secret. Pepe did launch this year and it made some people millions. So it is up thousands and thousands of percent. But, this is what I want you guys to focus on. On a monthly time frame, Pepe is down 7.9%. So are we seeing shift officially happening? Are we about to see, Pepe not reclaim some of the highs that we have seen earlier this year? Is the confidence leaving? That's what we're going to discuss. This is one of the projects I want you guys to pay very, very close attention to, which is Bonk. And of course, as you guys know, I've covered this on my channel, and this is a Solana-based meme coin. So what is the future of Pepe looking like? If we're looking at the price, still 5 zeros in front of the price, we're currently sitting at 106, down 3.8% over the past 24 hours in USD comparative, also down about 2.5% in Bitcoin and ETH comparative. Market cap is below a $500 million mark, currently at 448.6 million, and the 24-hour trading volume currently sitting at $58.9 million. So, a lot of questions there are for people, and some people are starting to say that Pepe is in a danger zone. And I'm going to share my personal thoughts with you guys on that. But before we get into it, as always, just a quick disclaimer: anything on this channel is not financial advice. Always do your own due diligence and research when you are investing in crypto. So if we're looking at Pepe's tweet, so 2 hours ago they kind of tweeted this, which is great. Of course, engagement is massive, but I'm starting to note one thing again, and this is not something I'm happy with. This is not something I'm happy with. And if you've been following me on my channel from the beginning, there's one thing I've always said. In the mid of the year, after we saw some negative news coming out of Pepe, one thing I was always bashing them about was that they are not engaging. Their engagement is low. And a month and a half ago, the engagement started picking up once again. But we're seeing huge days without a lot of talk. So you guys can see November 19th, a lot of tweets coming in, right? And then you can see this for yourself, 19th, and then November 23rd. So November 23rd, so there was a few days gap for the next tweet. Happy Thanksgiving, one frog to another. And the engagement is still there. The amount of people that engage with Pepe's post is insane, 116K. But after the 23rd, a few days later, another gap, and now they posted this. We're in a time right now where there's other meme coins launching. There's other meme coins that are really hot. And I've said this from the beginning. When you are a meme coin project, or when you're even an investor, investors have all the cards on their hand. You could have the biggest market share in terms of the meme coins, but if another project comes and launches better than you with better community, better team, more engagement, your spot will be taken over. And this is something I don't understand why this Pepe team is not realizing. When it comes to meme coins, you want to continue doing something outside the box. Even if you're tweeting on a daily basis, that's a good thing, because meme coins are all run by community, and this is where the community engagement comes into play. When they make this tweet, people go in the comments and start commenting. And this is what these guys are already messing up on again, and this is something they need to fix, because if they don't, look at that. There's a project, Bonk, Solana-based project, and it's very close to Pepe. And not only that, there's other Ethereum based coins that are popping up too. So it's really important for the team to really start the engagement part going. Yes, they are doing massive burns, but now you can come in and say, what about the other teams? Some of the teams are airdropping to these holders or Solana based wallets. So, you can't say, oh, but, we did do a massive burn, this and that. That's not how things work. So that's that. If we're looking at the holders, pretty much since November 14th, we've been still pretty much in an upward trajectory, which is great to see. Like I said, as of now, it still has gotten that first mover advantage, but on the ETH platform. But that does not mean even an Ethereum or a Solana based meme coin can come in and knock in on the door if things do not change as far as the community engagement goes. So that's that. Holder count is great. And when I'm saying this, I'm not saying this to the community. The community is great. Pepe community does everything possible as to what they're supposed to be doing. Really bringing the name of Pepe to the top, doing what a community is supposed to be doing. But at the end of the day, the team needs to pull the strings as well. But now if we're looking at the Pepe's price, that's what everyone is here for. So not seeing a lot of big buy orders coming in, but of course we are seeing a little bit of a minor retracement. Pretty much since November 10th, we've been in this upward downwards trajectory, and since then we have seen a retracement of about 27.9%. We're holding at some critical levels of support. We retested this on November 3rd. We retested this support line several times, but the main part as to what I'm trying to say is this level of support is extremely important. If we're able to lose this support line, Pepe could be making its way down to this 97.14 zone, and of course that weren't to hold, we are down to 84.82, and those are some targets, realistic targets that could be coming in the short term if the support were to be lost, which is a move of about another drop of about 21%. And of course no one wants to see this. So far the price is holding good, but team really needs to pick things up. Like, I cannot stress this enough. And you can really see the significance of this resistance, this 1503 zone. We never retested this zone since July of this year. So pretty much that's the target where we need to see the price of Pepe above in order for us to push towards the upside. So that's that. Let me know down below what you guys are thinking right now. Are you guys still on the same page as me? Do you guys have a different outlook on this? Of course, the Pepe community team usually always shows tremendous amount of support. They understand as to what my opinion is, but there's going to be few people here, the Moon Boys, that think Pepe is going to go to $1 billion market cap overnight. That's not how things work. You really need to look at it from every single angle and base your conclusion off of that. As always, this is just my own personal opinion. I would love to know your thoughts down below as well. And also let me know, where do you see Pepe ranking in the cryptocurrency market ranks before the year of 2023 comes to an end? So let me know that in the comments. Do you think we will see Pepe reclaim the top 100 spot, or do you think that won't happen? Let me know in the comments. And also let me know the feedback as well. Love you all. See you tomorrow in Crypto ZX, and peace out.